What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Bobby. This is The Collector. Spooky season is upon us. So, let's see if we can draw this creepy killer mask thing. Is it just like felt stitched together? They choose the weirdest masks, these guys. So, landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, he's kind of got like odd shaped holes cut out of them. So let's do those maybe first. So go, yeah, like this sort of weird oval egg shape, sort of there, right? And then he's got an eye inside. Wrinkly, the eyebrows. So we got eye. Top eyelid, bottom eyelid then, just underneath, and then a big sort of black eye, very dark. So you can color the whole thing, and you can leave a highlight, sort of, you know, a sort of a shine in the eye, or you could put white paint on top of it after you color it over. So you can do that white shine, and there's two ways, you know, of doing highlights in eyes. So that's one way, and then the other way is just like blob. So it's up to you what way you would like to do that. So we've got eyelid lines just on top here. Very wrinkly. Don't know if that's an eyebrow on top. Maybe not. And then kind of like lines just on the bottom there. Bags under his eyes. So it's kind of rough then around, you know, all this. So there's all the stitching, looks like, maybe. Not sure. It's not like his nose would be in there, so there'd be a bit of a bulge. Then we go over and just do the other. So like the other one's about eye width across. So like roughly the width of his eye will bring you over to where the next sort of hole in the bag is. So you just do this unusual bumpy shape. Kind of goes the opposite direction to this one. And they're not even, you know, so don't worry if they're not. Because they're not in the image I'm drawn from it either. They're not even. And then we do another top eyelid line just here. And then the bottom. And then a big black iris. I'll just do the highlight thing. The paint. And then we have some eyelid lines, just wrinkles just kind of coming over the top here. And then like the bridge of his nose kind of coming around that way. It's kind of rough. So his mouth is kind of cut out. There's a hole here. Comes across, right across the top lip. And then up to kind of a Joker-like stitching thing. Up here. And so you got all these stitching lines, kind of bumpy. Coming across, and then it seems to be like stitched here, so like some X's and some stitching lines and stuff just there on the side of his mouth. And his mouth is like just in here, so it's kind of like just a normal sort of downturned mouth in there, sort of in the middle. So that's the mouth line, and then you can add his top lip there, and then the bottom lip just curving underneath. A very just basic sort of mouth. This side's kind of cut off a bit by the mask. Right, so his head's kind of like shaped like a balloon, right? So, and it's kind of bumpy because the fabric kind of folds around his neck here. So it's just a loose bag. And then it goes up around, like shaped like pretty much like a balloon, right? So it goes just might be bumpy in places on this side, looks like, maybe. Textures and dirt and all that kind of stuff. It's kind of rough looking. So he has like a surgical gloved hand, right? It's very dark down there. So we might have to improvise on that one a little bit. But we can see his shoulders anyway. Shoulders come out this way. And then we get like his arm sort of going just down there. Bumpy. And then we'll do maybe I'll do maybe like a chest sort of area there instead of, it looks kind of, it's like an armpit sort of area. And then his belly or side body kind of goes down there. He doesn't look athletic, let's just say. Kind of like belly kind of sticks out, just sort of normal. Doesn't hit the gym that much. No offense, Mr. Collector. And then this hand, so it's like a surgical glove. So this is a bit blurry. You just see the bottom of the glove anyway. And then I think we get just the back of his hand, sort of. And then we go down to fingers, right? And just kind of wrapped around here. It's just kind of loose. It looks like loose sort of plastic just on this hand, then just these folding lines for the plastic, you know. It's not like clear knuckles or anything. And then I think just like his hand disappears down there, so there'll be more sort of fold lines on the end of his glove and stuff. His forearm goes off that way. So that is how it looks there in the picture. So, and he seems to have like a pretty basic sort of hunting knife or something. Goes up that way, and it kind of does one of these curves, and then comes back down. And then in the base of it. There. And then I think it has this sort of line on it there. got a little base. There's all these faux lines just coming across his clothing. And that's it. Well, maybe I'll dirty up his top a little bit, just add some texture to it. There you go, collector. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.